Welcome back, everybody. I'm Eric, and in this tutorial, we're going to go over the dashboard within the CollabHub website. So, on the top right, you're going to go into Dashboard after you have logged in, of course. And here are all the options. So, you have your user settings, you have My Requests, My Collab, and My Spaces. So, first option, we're going to go into User Settings. User Settings is going to be all the information that is tied to the account that you have created. So your logo, your niche, your company name, any information that you want to change and or update is going to be within your user settings. The next option is My Requests. So My Requests is collaboration requests, spaces requests. So any requests that you have made on the platform is all going to be logged into this portion of your dashboard, My Requests. The third option is My Collab. So this is where your company is going to be featured on the hub. Okay, so you can change, update your information on your billboard card. So this is where people are going to be able to apply to your company to collaborate with you. So any information that you can help them understand what your company is, what your collaboration efforts are, any information you can provide on your billboard card is going to help any company reach out to you and create a successful collaboration. And fourth and final is spaces. So any space that you want to create within the Collab Hub is right here. So all you have to do is go in here, create any kind of space that you want. They're all available to you to put any kind of information that you would like. So for this particular one, we'll go into edit, and you can edit any information on the space itself, and you can hold your own spaces while employing other companies within the platform to get on your spaces with you. So there's many different ways to utilize the resources within this specific option here. And whether it's topic, date, time, speakers, doesn't really matter. But this gives you the ability to create your own space, create a link for people to sign up, and really easily organize it within this platform. Okay. So if you have any questions, never hesitate to reach out to our community. You can go into here, community, and jump right in, ask us questions. We're always in there to help you out. All right.